Hi there, Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can revamp your old wig. So my client brought this frontal wig. She's had it for over 4 years, and in that 4 years, she did not wash this wig at all. I don't know how she managed to wear this wig for a whole 4 years, but I'm going to show you how I go from that to this right here. If you want to see how I do it, please keep on watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button right below. Also turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. As you can see, this is a frontal wig. What I'm going to start by doing is detangling the wig. I'm going to use your wig brush, any wig brush you have. Just use your wig brush and start to brush through the hair. It's always advisable to start from the tip of the hair and start to work your way upward. So I'm just brushing the hair to detangle it before I start to wash it, because when you brush hair that is wet, it's more prone to breaking. It's only better off for you to brush hair that is coily when it's wet than brushing hair that is straight. So just brush through the hair to detangle it before we start the washing process. We're done brushing out the wig now. Everything has been detangled. What I'll be doing next is washing the wig. So you want to pour water, get your hair to be completely wet, or you can even choose to just dip your hair into a bowl. So this is the shampoo I'm using to wash this hair. I'm using this macadamia nourishing shampoo. This shampoo actually makes the hair softer as much as it's washing your hair. You know how most shampoos we tend to use has a way of making a hair feel like it's stronger. This shampoo doesn't do that. It even adds a bit of moisture to the hair. That's why I enjoy using this nourishing shampoo. So I'm just trying to apply the shampoo all over the hair. You can see how dirty this hair is. Just look at the color of the water that is dripping out of the hair. And you see it in a few minutes when I lift it up. The hair is very dirty. She didn't wash this hair for 4 whole years. 4 whole years. Very dirty. So right now, I'm just adding rinsing off the wig. I'm going to rinse it off, then add much more of the shampoo before I continue washing the hair again, because you just need to just rinse out the dirt so you can really get a good wash. Yeah, it's becoming cleaner now. It's becoming cleaner. Yeah, how I like it. So guys, you can see that shampoo I have there, the pink one, the L'Oreal Nourish Gloss Shine Shampoo. I also added it in to help the hair not look as dull as it was looking. I mixed it with the macadamia nourishing shampoo. If I use just the shine shampoo, it's going to make the hair more strong. So I needed to do a mixture of both this macadamia nourishing shampoo and the L'Oreal shine shampoo. I don't think I showed the parts where I took a bit of the L'Oreal shampoo, but I'm just mentioning it so you guys know I use this shine shampoo. Nutri-Glow shampoo. I added it into the mix of the shampoo that I used. So just wash the wig very well. Yeah, I can see now the wig is quite clean. Rinse it off and proceed to the next step. Yes, it's really clean now. Hey guys, so next what I'm doing is applying some conditioner to the hair. Yeah, I can't afford to lose even a tiny bit of this conditioner. See how I followed that one that fell off. So I'm just lathering the conditioner all over the hair. It's also a nourishing conditioner. This conditioner is the truth. If you can get your hands on this product, I love this conditioner. So I'm applying the conditioner all over this hair. You can see it's a nourishing conditioner, macadamia nourishing conditioner. Just apply it generously all over this hair, because I mean this hair needs all the moisture it can get. So after applying the conditioner all over the wig, I'm just using my hairbrush to brush through the wig, make sure everything is well detangled, it looks bomb, it looks fresh, It looks like a newborn baby. Just want to just make sure the hair looks really nice. So brush through while the conditioner is on. After I've brushed through the hair and it looks really well detangled and I'm gonna leave the hair to sit for some minutes. Actually, I didn't show the other part which I did in this video, and that I actually soaked this hair in hot water. Because the essence of me soaking the hair in hot water is just to make the conditioner to really seep into each strand of this hair and really do the work of restoring moisture back to this hair. So right now I just kept on detangling the hair and making sure everything is fresh. You can see how it looks now. You can see how the hair looks now. It looks very nice right now. The natural curl pattern is back. It looks nice. It looks ready for us to move to the next step. So yes, I air dried the wig, and you can see I had to cut out the net that wasn't cut before. Sadly, the owner of this wig, I don't know why she had used super glue on her wig. She really didn't take care of this wig well, but it's something that with the way I'm going to style it, it's going to still be manageable for her. She could still have this wig for another 1 to 2 years and get a good use out of it. So what I'm trying to do is just style the wig as a C part. So while I'm defining the C part, I'm using that hair wax to just lay the flyaway hairs, those short strands that are usually in the closure and the frontal. I'm just using the hair wax to lay it down. And after I get the pattern that I want, I'm very certain that okay, yes, I've gotten the C part which I want for this wig. What I'm going to be doing next is cleaning out the part. I'm going to be pulling out strands of the hair that are on that part so that the part can stand out. It can be obvious that okay, yes, this is actually a C part. So I'm just pulling out any of the hairs that are on the area which I parted, pulling it out. Yes, pull out all the hairs that are on the parting area. Yeah, and comb through it, pull it out, and see what I'm doing, pulling out all the hairs on the parting area. Yeah, it's very easy to do. Just be careful. If you're not very careful, don't you do the way I'm doing. Just use like a tweezer, the tweezer they use in putting out here, and put out the hair one after the other. But for me, I've been doing this for a while, so I can afford to pull it the way I'm pulling it. And take note, I'm not holding lots of strands. I'm just holding like 1 or 2 strands of hair. Yes. So we are almost done with cleaning out the parts. The parting is looking bomb right now. It's looking very clean, just the way I like it. Yes, 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 yes. It's looking really nice now. Yeah, it looks nice. Yes, yes, it looks nice. Okay, guys. So next, I'm gonna proceed to styling this wig. But before I do that, I think what I want to do is I want to add some foundation to the pattern, that area which I just parted right now. I'm going to put my foundation right there so that when she wears her wig, it appears more skin like when she wears it. Take note, I didn't bleach this frontal because this frontal is an old frontal. It makes no sense trying to bleach something that has been super glue has been applied on, has been cut up anyhow, has holes in it. It makes no sense doing that. So I also just applied the foundation on the inside of the frontal, just applying it all over the lace. And after I'm done doing this, I'm going to proceed to start styling this wig. What I want to do for styling this wig is just adding some bouncy curls all over the wig and styling the front of the wig. And for my curls to last long, I tend to always use a styling mousse. So I'm just going to take the styling mousse and apply it all over the hair, all over the hair. I'm not using a lot of mousse because I'm not trying to drench the hair and make it wet. So next, what I'm going to be applying on the hair after I've applied the styling mousse is this argan oil. It's also, you know how hair needs water, oil, and conditioner. This argan oil is like the oil that this hair needs to have some moisture and some nutrients in it. So I'm applying the argan oil over the hair. Then next, what I'll be applying is this moisture spray. This is just going to help the hair to retain some moisture and revive the hair from being dry to a more normal texture, a more normal, like just make the hair have more have more life. I don't know the right word to use. Just give the hair some life. So what I'm going to be doing now is just coiling up the hair, adding some curls to the hair, I'm going to curl all over this wig, and please, sis, if you're getting value from this video, please make sure you smash the like button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, now is a good time for you to subscribe to my channel. Please do not watch this video without subscribing to my channel, and also share this video with your friends who are also going to get value out of it, because I'm going to appreciate you sharing it. So patiently curl your hair. You want to have hair clips that you use to hold the curls as you proceed in curling it, because you want the curls to sort of cool down while it's still in the curled form, so that the curls can last longer. You can see how I'm doing it. I'm just cutting the hair into small sections while I curl through. It's a repetitive process. The key thing is making sure you get to curl the hair very well, and the hair takes on the heat, and you clip it while it's still curled up. Let the heat cool off before you start to take out all the clips. I was listening to some good music there. That was what I was dancing. Yeah, so this is the last strand right here. Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure I curl it up very well. So after I'm done curling this hair, what I'm going to proceed to doing is styling the front of the wig. Or rather, I'm going to start taking out the clips on the wig. I'll start taking out the clips on the wig. After taking out the clips on the wig, I would then proceed to styling the hair. You can see I took out all the clips all over the wig before I now took out that last one which I curled. Yes, and I just clipped that one so that the curls get cool before I take off the clip. So right now I'm going to proceed to just making sure that this hair looks nice at the upper parts, because all the old coiling thing I did may had sort of made the front a bit rough. So I'm just using that my hot coiling one to just smoothing out the front part of that wig so it looks nice. You can use your hot comb if you have a hot comb. If you don't have a hot comb, you can use your coiling wand and do this. You can see what I'm doing, trying to make sure I lay all the short hairs, all the hairs that are not following the pattern image I want to just lay well. So while I comb with my small tooth comb, I'm using my coiling wand to just glide through the wig. Yes. That's how I want it to look. So make sure your part is clean while you're doing this, and lay the hairs very well. Yeah, I like how the wig is turning out. I just took out that last one which I didn't take, which I curled last. So I'm just trying to make sure all the curls are going in a particular direction on the left side of the wig, just as it's also going on the right side of the wig. Like, you want the curls to be curled backward, especially the ones in the front. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do here. Yeah. So guys, don't forget, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. If you follow my process, make sure you come back and let me know how it turned out. Yeah, the wig looks really nice now. It looks very nice. Yes, I'm just doing that lifting. I hope my client is able to lift her wig up and just give her that sort of facelift when she wears it. It looks really nice. If I do say so myself. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have questions also, please let me know in the comment section. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life. I love you, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.